How to get a loan for your cleaning and janitorial service business. Cleaning and janitorial services are always in demand, but keeping up requires resources. From buying supplies in bulk to hiring new staff for large contracts, these costs can hit hard if cash flow is tight. Now, our team acts as independent brokers, connecting businesses like yours with the funding that they need. We are not part of David Allen Capital, but we partner with them because they specialize in quick, competitive financing for service based businesses. David Allen Capital works with a wide range of lenders to get you the best offer. Many applications are approved within the same day, and funding reaches them in as little as 24 to 48 hours. That means you can accept new contracts or expand operations without delays. DAC also backs every offer with a $500 meet or beat guarantee. If you find a better deal elsewhere, they'll match it or give you $500 in cash. They've never had to pay it because their deals are already that strong. If your cleaning service has been running at least 6 months with steady revenue and solid bank statements, you may qualify, even with average credit. So, if you're ready to expand your crew, upgrade equipment, or handle seasonal spikes in demand, click on the link in the description below. Watch the founder's message and apply today to see if you can be funded in just 1 to 2 business days. Good luck!